the greatest comedy motion picture of all time.
Why don't you go check the armory out, and I'll give a quick sweep in through here, see if I can get any readings.
Well, hello again, lovely people of YouTube. Thanks for coming back. This is the third part of the Proton pack build. It's not a big video this time, because I've been working on the neutrino wand. What's happened is I'm still waiting for some pipe work to arrive to attach from the neutrino wand to the cyclotron, main part of the pack, technical term. So I'll give you what I've got, and of course the furlough is now finished now, so back to work. So again, well, less time on my hands, so I'll leave you with this. Hope you enjoy it. I think it makes sense, but anyway, leave it with that for now. so I hope you enjoyed that. It's all starting to come together now. It's actually progressed a little bit more, not much, than what you've already seen now. So moving on, but what I'll do is I'll do another video just to show you the sort of finishing touches and the added bits. I mean, the cables arrived now, I've got some pipe work, so all that to add. I will of course record all that for you. It is very personal. I mean, designing a proton pack, you can go screen accurate, or you can just work it around your own design, really.
Is this true? Yes, it's true.
What to suit you, as you would have your proton pack, which is what I'm doing. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you've not been here before, please ring the little bell so you know when the next bit comes up or any other videos on this sort of lines. So stay safe out there now that we're all open again and good to go out. Normalities, but round the bend, shall we say. So again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate your support. See you next time.